Welcome to the video. In this video I will discuss the functions and locations of human body organs. Let's start the video. Organs of human body. Brain. Its function is to control body functions, thought and emotions. It is located in skull. Heart. Its function is to pump blood throughout the body. Heart is located in thoracic cavity between lungs. Lungs. Its function is to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. It is located in thoracic cavity either side of the heart. Intestine. Its function is to digest food. It is located between stomach and large intestine. Stomach. Its function is to digest food. It is located at upper abdominal cavity. Kidney. Its function is to filter waste, regulate electrolytes. It is located at lower back, either side of spine. Liver. Its function is to detoxification, metabolism, and bile production. It is located at upper right abdominal cavity. Here is a labeled diagram of human body. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.